Hello and welcome to this tutorial on getting the Engduino program environment installed on your Windows computer. Don't forget to have a look in the description section for any links if you're watching this on the YouTube site. What I'm going to cover today is the basic procedure for downloading and installing the Engduino software on your computer, and then also installing the drivers you need to communicate with the hardware. So the first thing you want to do is head over and open up your browser of choice. I'm going to use Internet Explorer here, but any of them should work. Then you want to go into your address bar. Let's maximize that. Go to your address bar and type www.engduino.org. Hit enter, wait for the page to load. Once the Engduino homepage is loaded, you'll see the sitemap on the left hand side. Okay, you want to go ahead and click on the Getting Started button. That'll expand out and you want to choose Complete Packages. The Complete Packages are the easiest way to install the Engduino environment, and that's what we recommend, so it's what I'm going to cover today. Once the page is loaded, you'll find some instructions for OS X and Windows. What you want to look for is the link that says download the zipped code from here. Click on that. Your browser should ask you where you want to save the file. You can put it anywhere you like. I'm just going to pop it in my downloads directory. Just remember wherever you put it and wait for it to finish downloading. Okay, once it's downloaded, navigate to wherever you saved the file and double click on it. Okay, inside will be a directory, an Engduino directory. What you want to do is drag that to somewhere on your computer. And it doesn't really matter where you put this. You can put it in program files. The easiest place though is to just pop it into your My Documents folder. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. And once that's done, we're going to navigate to wherever you've extracted it to. So in my case, it's the My Documents folder. Open it up and then look for the Arduino icon, which will be in blue. Double click on that. It'll ask you if you're sure if you want to run it. Just say yes, and you've installed the Arduino IDE to your computer. Okay, let's close this window for now so that we can install the drivers. At this point, you want to plug your Engduino in and make sure that the red switch is set to on. That's quite important. Once your computer recognizes the device, it'll try and install it. On Windows 8, it'll install generic drivers for a LilyPad USB. On Windows 7 and early versions, it's just going to fail. Don't worry, this is completely normal. The procedure to install them properly is the same for all versions. It goes like this. Open up an Explorer window. On the left-hand sidebar, you want to right-click on the computer icon and then select Manage from the menu. Windows may ask for administrator confirmation, just say yes. Then on the new side pane in this new window, select Device Manager. And look down the list for any drivers that have a small yellow exclamation mark on them. You should see a device with a yellow exclamation mark on it. It's called LilyPad USB. We're going to right click on that one and then select Update Driver Software. Okay, a window will pop up asking you how you want to search for the drivers. You want to select Browse My Computer for driver software. On this form, there's a little box where you select the path that you want. We're going to hit Browse and then navigate to wherever you drag your Engduino folder to. In my case, it's the My Documents folder. And then inside that Engduino folder, we're going to select the Drivers folder. Make sure you don't accidentally select the FTDI one inside it. Once you've chosen the Drivers folder, hit OK. Double check that the Engduino driver folder is in the path box and then hit Next. It asks you if you're sure you want to install these unassigned drivers. Just say yes. Windows will install it, and if all goes well, it'll present you with a window saying that the drivers were properly installed. Okay, we're going to head and close that. At this point, we want to make sure that we have the correct port number so we can pass it to the Arduino software. So either here in the title, where it says LilyPad USB, or by right-clicking on that device and selecting Properties, and then on the first page you should see at the end the port number, either COM with a number after it. In my case, here it's COM3. Once that's all done, let's go ahead and upload a test program to the board. So we go back to the Arduino window, find the tools menu here at the top, click on it and select board, and then look down the list for the LilyPad Arduino USB. Let's select that one. Then we make sure that the correct communications port is selected. So go back to the tools menu, select serial port, and then choose the COM port number that you made a note of earlier. I just have COM port 3 here, so I'm going to choose that one. Okay, so we're ready to upload our first app to the board. What you want to do is head over to the file menu here, then examples, Engduino, and then choose whichever one you want. I'm going to pick the running LEDs one because it's got some visual feedback, so I can double check that the board is working okay. As soon as you choose that, a new window will open up with the app inside it. Once that's done, head over to the verify code button, which is the little tick. If everything goes well, you'll see a little message at the bottom that says that the compilation is complete. Now you want to upload it to your board. So select the upload button, which is this right arrow over here. You'll see some messages pass on the console window underneath. And once that's done, hopefully you'll see a little message here in blue that says upload complete. And whatever program that you've uploaded to the board should start executing right away. In my case, I can see the LEDs light up and start running. That's it. You've installed your first app to the device and got everything working. Remember, if you have any problems, you can go over to our forums on www.engduino.org/forum, or send us a message on Facebook, or email us at support@engduino.org. Thanks for listening.